more than a century, Bullard has developed and manufactured products that help keep workers safe, comfortable, and productive. In just a moment, you'll see that Bullard offers world-class products and services in a personal and flexible environment. Hi, I'm Pat Summerall. Join me as we travel to Cynthiana, Kentucky to explore Bullard's innovative products and services. Bullard began in 1898 supplying mining equipment to the California gold and silver mines.
When the founder's son returned from World War II, he experimented with his doughboy helmet and was thinking about the various needs of the miners in California for head protection, and in turn invented what has become known as the hard-boiled hat, America's first hard hat.
Major historic construction projects like the Golden Gate Bridge and Hoover Dam utilized Bullard hard hats for worker safety. Bullard also created one of the first supplied air respirators needed for work on the Golden Gate Bridge.
Building of the Golden Gate Bridge involved the erection of steel that was transported across the U.S. That steel became oxidized or rusted and needed to be sandblasted before it could be painted. Bullard took the hard hat, put a canvas shroud around it, and began pumping air into it to protect the workers from the sand and the abrasive rebound from that process. And that was our first respiratory protection device.
Today, Bullard continues to develop and manufacture innovative personal protective equipment for workers, like the modern injection molded hard hat. Thermal imagers are revolutionizing the fire industry. And in 1998, Bullard introduced its first thermal imager. These devices enable firefighters to see heat rather than light, helping them detect structural dangers and locate unconscious victims. Bullard leads this exciting new industry in the United States. Bullard developed products in a unique teamwork environment.
So we involve all of our people in the design of their work, in the design of our products, because they're closer to it, they're closer to the customers than the managers and supervisors are. And we find that we get a much better result by having a team of individuals involved.
The development process is fast, flexible, and systems-oriented. Engineers are focused on designing products to exceed regulatory minimum requirements. And each product is created to provide optimal protection as well as comfort to the worker. Bullard's lean manufacturing is quick, responsive, and adaptable. Not long ago, Bullard distributors would order hard hats for stock and receive them in 6 weeks' time. Lean manufacturing principles have reduced lead time, enabling a product to move rapidly through manufacturing and distribution to the customer.
By applying lean manufacturing, we have reduced that cycle time from when the customer orders the product until we deliver it to the customer to 3.6 days. So the primary benefit from a customer standpoint is they get exactly what they ordered much quicker than they did before.
A teamwork style is also used in manufacturing, resulting in continuous improvement of both products and the manufacturing process.
It's very important to empower individuals as well as teams to make their own decisions relative to servicing the customer.
Every manufacturing employee is focused on continuous improvement of the process to reduce costs and manufacturing time. By producing one piece at a time rather than maintaining large inventories of product, Bullard has created an efficient, cost-effective, and competitive manufacturing style.
Today, nothing happens until we actually get a customer order. Once we get the customer order, it's important to react very quickly. So speed is very, very important in a lean manufacturing environment. In fact, it's the main competitive advantage that we have.
Bullard's commitment to employee training means customers can count on the most qualified professionals in the industry.
That in every year that we've been focusing on training, we get that much more productivity out of our employees because they're better trained and better able to do the jobs that our customers require.
Bullard's commitment to the customer means worldwide support for ordering and servicing products. And thermal imagers are repaired and returned to the customer within 24 hours. Clearly, every part of the process at Bullard is focused on excellence and innovation.
That the people who are using our products have to go home at the end of their workday to their families, and our people are very much aware and want to make sure those people go home safely to their families.
For more information about Bullard, check out their website at bullard.com. You may not know that Bullard's website is an industry-leading resource for product application, information, and technical support. Through its website, Bullard is able to manage customer relationships and transactions. I'm Pat Summerall, and thank you for joining me in this look at Bullard. You can see that Bullard provides its customers quality, excellence, and innovation.